Hi guys, a blessed good day to you all. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious Tuscan shrimp pasta. Let's get into the recipe. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I have a box of trottole pasta, but feel free to use any kind of pasta of choice. I'll be using heavy whipping cream as well as some jumbo shrimp. I have fresh spinach and some grape tomatoes. I'll be using white wine, but if you want to use chicken broth, feel free. I have garlic, onions, parsley, butter, some parmesan cheese, and for the seasoning, chicken bouillon, some garlic and herb seasoning, black pepper, paprika, and some seasoned salt. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and season the shrimp. I've added garlic and onion powder, some Old Bay, and black pepper. Mix the combine and set aside. So now to my preheated skillet, I will add some oil, allow that to heat up, and then I will go in with half of my shrimp. I don't want the shrimp to steam, I want them to sear nicely. So I'll cook half now and then I will add the other half once this is done. You want to cook them for about 2 minutes, 1 minute per side, and remove it and set aside and carry on with the same process until all your shrimp is nicely seared. So now we'll cook our pasta. Before we start preparing the sauce, you want to add some chicken bouillon to the pot of water with some salt, and then we'll go in with our pasta. You want to mix that well and allow to cook to your desired texture. Next, we'll add some butter to the same skillet that we cooked the shrimp. Once the butter melts, you want to add your onions, tomatoes, and your garlic. Give it a stir and allow to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we'll add about a tablespoon of flour just to thicken our sauce. Allow that to go for about a minute or two before we add our white wine. Once you add your white wine, allow that to go for about 2 minutes as well, just to cook away the alcohol a little. And then we will go in with our heavy whipping cream. Once the cream is added, you want to add your seasonings as well to add flavor and taste to the dish. But don't go too heavy on the seasoning because your Parmesan cheese has salt and you don't want to make the dish too salty. So once this comes up to a simmer, then we will add our Parmesan cheese. Allow the sauce to thicken. Once it thickens, I'll show you what to do next. So at this point, we'll add our shrimp into the sauce and then we'll follow up with our spinach. You know, spinach don't take a long time to cook. You just give it a few stirs and once it wilts, that's it. You don't want to overcook it. And once the spinach is wilted, we will add our pasta into the pot. You want to give everything a stir until it's well combined. And the last thing we will add here is our fresh parsley. And that's basically it, guys. The dish is all done. It is quick, easy, simple, and so versatile. You can have it as a weeknight day dinner, date night dinner, Valentine's Day dinner. You know, you can just switch it up and have it whenever you want, and anyone can make this. Like I said, it's quick, easy, and simple. And I can't wait for you guys to try the recipe. Now let me plate it up and show you all the finished product. And here you have it, my version of Tuscan shrimp pasta. I hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.